beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day here in Central Florida, Zone 10A. You know, it's birds in the food forest. Look at the dove right here, guys. Let's see. You get in. Look at the dove right there. Right there. See the dove? Yeah. They make a lot of nests here in the food forest. But all right, that's not what we're here for. This morning we're just coming out here to see what we could harvest. All right. You know, every morning you gotta come out here to harvest something, because if you don't, you're gonna have stuff that's dropping on the ground and go to waste. We don't want that. All right. So, you know, yesterday I came out here, harvested sugar apple, guavas, you know, some star fruit. Let's see if we have any sugar apple that's ready right now. Let's see. Yeah, this look totally ready to go. Yep, totally ready to go. Let's see. All right, let's see if we could get it off here. Oh, look. Oh, it's all messing up. All right, I gotta cut that off. You see that, guys? Fruit is breaking up. Yeah. All right, let me go get my. All right, we back. Just got this to cut it off. Let's go. All right. And all right, I need my both hands for this. I'll be right back. It's gone. Look at this, guys. This is overly ripe. Goodness. I've been hiding and eating these that my kids don't know that they're ripe. Because it's like every day I gave them a couple already. And they'd be like, every day. Yeah, I was like, no, I gotta hide and eat these because they're so good. All right. So this is what we have here so far. Let's see. Do I have any more? It's ready. No, this is not ready. Not ready. Remember that purple one that's on the same tree? This is that tree. Yeah, nothing here. Got the lizard right here looking at us. Nature all around. No, these are not ready yet. So we got one, so that's good. Let's see. This feel like it's ready. Ooh, feel like it's packed with water. Let's see. Ooh, wow. Okay, guys. We just harvest a dragon fruit. Delicious. Let's put that right here. I don't want this, to squeeze up my, sugar apple. All right, so we just got this right from the food forest, guys. Isn't that just amazing? You could just come out here and get food like so your garden. All right, let's walk through here. All right, let's put this container here. And look at this, guys. Oh, nice. I think we have a lot more here. I think the rains has caused the fruits to ripen up a lot. Nice, look at this. Let's see. Already, I'm probably gonna give my neighbors some of these fruits. It's too much. It's gonna be a lot. Yep. Okay, guys. This is ripe and ready to go. More. All right, let's walk around here. Any more? See, they're gonna start falling off. All right, my neighbor's working and something over there. All right, let's keep it moving. Let's keep it moving. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. Let's put this right here. Let's see if we do the purples, the reds. They're not ready yet. All right, let's keep it moving. Let's keep it moving. So these are actually some pink guavas. Let's see. Let's put this right here and walk through here. See what else we could get. Different varieties of food. This guy. Boom. Guys, this is just such a blessing. This is what I consider a blessing, where you could just come out in your garden and just be that harvesting fruits non-stop. Look at this. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Let's bring these over here. Let's see. Let's go over here. I think we might have another fruit here that we could harvest. Let's see if this is ready. Let's see. No, it's not yet. I could wait a couple more days. Yeah, this fruit is not ready yet. But look at the dragon fruits, guys. Got more coming here. You know, pollination, I don't do nothing. These are all self-pollinated, stuff. Yep. But look, this garden is so blessed with food, guys. Amazing, amazing, amazing stuff. All right, let's close that. Come back here. All right, let's walk to another guava tree. Live and direct in the morning here, the food forest. Let's go over here. Good. This is my water catchment for rainwater. All right, let's see what we got here. Guys, woo. These are white guavas. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful fruit. Healthy looking, beautiful fruit. This one could wait for another day. Put this right here. I don't want it to squeeze up my sugar apple. I think there's more over here. Let's come down here. Is this ready yet? No, not yet. Not yet. Not yet. But we have enough though. I have enough. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, this is ready. Boom. Look here, the birds are enjoying one right here. Which is fine. Yeah. Alright, let's get up. Yeah. Beautiful. Isn't that amazing, guys? We're not even out here for 10 minutes and we were able to pick all those fruits already. Yep, not even 10 minutes. Oh look, let's still get something else here. Look, one more fruit. Let's go right here. It is. This is a, let's put this, peanut butter fruit. So let's go add that to the basket. Peanut butter fruit. Yes, 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 yes. And there's still more fruits and the both guavas. But I'll wait and come back. So this is, guys, this is like something regular right now. This time of the food for this time of the year, you come out here and you just harvesting fruits, you know, non-stop. Let's show you guys something. You could see the turtles there. They're over there. What I do here, see two of them right here? Those are turtles. What I do, like when the fruits fall, I throw it in the water and they eat it. Yeah, so they always come on this side, you know, waiting for me to throw fruits there this time. Yep. Yeah, guys, yeah. Yep. But there's so much more going on here. You know, and I just want to tell you guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. I appreciate you guys. You know, so they're beautiful. Yeah, look at the ackee. Yeah, that's ackee. Nice. Ackee trees like full with ackees also. Yeah. All right. Appreciate you guys, you know, just spending some time with me and watching the videos. You know. All right, let me switch this camera around. All right, so thank you so much for watching. All be blessed with peace, love, happiness, and kindness. And thank you for coming along while when I go harvest my breakfast. All right? All right. See you guys in the next video.